guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is I want to make some pumpkins out of cardstock, and they're 3D. I think this is going to be so cute, and we're going to use our scoring tool. So I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for some sort of fall DIY. I'm not sure what yet. Okay, so I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, and we're going to go to the circle with the plus for a new project. That will put us on our canvas. Now I'm just going to go to projects over here on the left hand side, click on that, and then I'm going to go all the way over here on the right top corner in this empty search bar and type in fall and hit enter. Now that will bring up everything that Cricut has as a ready-made project for you to make. And you do need to be an Access member because it has the little green A. So you could either make both of these that have the leaves, a bigger one or a smaller one, but I want to make this one right here. So I'm going to click on that. You can print this out right here, these instructions, if you want, and it tells you it's a 3D pumpkin. It's intermediate, but I don't even think it's intermediate. It's very easy. It tells you the finished size is 6 by 6. Then it'll tell you materials that you need and then how to assemble it together. Now down here at the bottom, if you want to make it, you just click make it in green, or if you want to customize it, you hit the customize, like if you want to change the size or something like that. So we're going to hit make it, right top corner. Okay, and then it's going to put these on these mats right through here, and you'll see that it's going to use 11 mats, and down here is our stem that we're going to do. So we're going to go to the bottom right hand corner, continue. Okay, I have my Cricut set to light cardstock. So the next time you see me, we will be cutting out and putting together these adorable 3D pumpkins. Okay, all you need to do is get your standard grip mat, and I'm just going to put this right on my mat. Okay, I have my Cricut set to light cardstock. Just going to insert this, and then it is going to cut it out. First of all, what it's going to do is score down through there with our scoring blade right here. It's not really a blade, but it's our scoring tip. And then it will cut out the pumpkin. Okay, you can see that. And it cuts out the little stem. Then we're going to eject it. We'll take this right off, and you can see here is one of our pumpkins. Okay, now I didn't show you this, but to put this in, it's real simple. This is your little scoring tool that you need, and it has a little arrow right there. You just slip that right down in there till you hear that noise, and then you close it. That's as simple as it gets. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of these, and just probably fast forward through some of them, and then I'll just skip. Alright, I've already cut 4 of my pumpkins out. Now it calls for 5, but I really didn't want to do 5. I don't think it would make that much difference. So I'm only going to do 4. And I've decided to take this scrapbook paper and cut out my circles with it. And you can get 2 pumpkins to a sheet of scrapbook paper by just turning it upside down. So what it's going to do, it's going to score this, and then it's going to cut those circles or half shapes out of this. And keep your half little circles, and you can always glue those onto a Dollar Tree pumpkin, and it would be very pretty. Okay, and this is what it looks like with the holes, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of these, and I'll be back when we do our stems. It's really simple. You just let the computer go, unless you're going to do like me and make one less. Then you'll just have to skip that. Okay, I'm going to make 2 more sets of those pumpkins with the hole cutouts out of that paper. You could totally do this all one color, or you could do glitter underneath them all and just a solid on top. But like I think I said, I'm always experimenting. So you never know what you're going to get around here. Okay, now I'm loading my green paper, my green cardstock. I just got a Recollections set of cardstock from Michael's, and I'm using my scrapbook paper that I bought at Michael's on a hot buy, the colors of autumn. I love this paper. Okay, and it's doing our little stems. It scored it first, and now it's just going to cut it out. Okay, here's our little pieces cut out, the little tops, and then these. Like I said, it calls for 5, but I only want to do 4, okay? And then here are our little stems right here. Hope you can see. All right. And we're only going to use 4 of those. So I tried to use my Gorilla Glue stick, and it did not do very well. So I went and started using my Aleene's Tacky glue, and this works really good. It calls for spray adhesive, but I really didn't want to do that. So what you do, where this is scored, you just bend this right here on the score line. It's so easy to do. You bend all of them like that. I hope you can see that score line right down through there. There you go. I think you can see that. So you just bend them to the score line. I just thought this would be a really sweet, cute little DIY paper craft to do with your Cricut, or just for fall decor. I think it's really cute. And definitely keep your little pieces, because this is what I was talking about. You get these little pieces that it cut out, and I think it would be so cute to maybe glue onto a pumpkin or decoupage. So I'm going to keep mine. And this is one that I made earlier, this one right here. And I'll let you see how it turned out. And I just alternated the pattern, and then there's the stem. But I think it's really cute. You can see it stands up. So I don't really see where you need that 5th one. I mean, you can do it if you want. Okay, so what I'm going to do is apply some Aleene's. You don't need a lot right here. Basically, I just put it in dots. And I want to get it up there in that crease. And then you just set this right in here. And press down. Now you probably should do this on the back of the one with the dots so that you're not getting glue to come through. But look at that, how cute that is. I think this is adorable. Okay, and this works much better than hot glue. So I'm going to do that with this one. I'm just going to go through here, except right on this stem and down through here. I'm going to get that really well, and then just come in through here, around the edges, in between. Just put little dots because this glue is just so good. And just snug that right in there where it goes. And look at that, so simple to do, okay? It definitely works better if you use it on this. I think that's what I did on the other one. But this would be very pretty if you had like I did this one like this with the glitter, because I was going to do 5 because I ran out of paper. And then I was like, it was really pretty. I mean, you could do your whole one like that, but I don't really think that it made that much difference. So I may use this for something else. And if you had scrapbook paper that was thick enough, you could do it all out of the scrapbook paper, and that would be beautiful. And then here is this one. Then all you have to do for these is, I'm just going to put the glue on right now. Then I'm just going to bend it. Probably should have folded it first. And then you just put it right in here like that, and see how cute that is? So easy to do. So I'm going to bend them first. That's what I did before. I need to start storing my glue upside down. Adorable. I think they're so cute. Okay. And you could put it right in here if you wanted first. And then just put this right in there. You definitely could do that. I love paper crafting. I'm still looking for the planner that I want. I know the one I want. I just can't find it in the correct layout. But if I don't find it pretty soon, I guess I'll just get a different one. Okay, that's it. So we have these. Now all you have to do, I just alternated mine. Just put some glue on the back. And make sure you put it up through the stem. And then we're just going to lay this right on there. Like that. And you can see it will already stand up. This is really cute, okay? Then I want to put this one right here. So I'm going to put some glue right in here again. It really doesn't take a lot of this Aleene's. Okay, and put this one right here. Okay. And then we just have to scooch this one in, so I'm going to put glue right all around this one. The stem everywhere. Then we're just going to scooch this one right in here. And sometimes you kind of have to hold that stem area because you've pulled on it a lot. You could use the spray adhesive if you wanted. Like I said, I don't think you need 5, but that's what it calls for. So here is this pumpkin. I just think it is so cute. That one slipped on me some. I was paying attention to my stem, but look at that, how cute that is. Adorable. Okay, let's take a look at these up close. Well, here they are. I think they're adorable. I have this one sitting on a Dollar Tree candle holder, and you can see how really cute it is. And then this one is just sitting right down here by that little DIY I did. But I think these are really cute. And like I said, you could put glitter if you wanted. You can do so much. And look at that stem. That really looks real. And it says that you can add distressing ink around the edges of your pumpkins and stem if you want. But I really think that stem looks pretty real. So until next time, bye guys.